my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today I would like to present to you this beautiful traditional style property built in 2008, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathroom with 1 extra level downstairs with 1 bedroom apartment. Absolutely royal size property, by far one of the biggest in the area. 665 square meters, situated on a plot of 1250 square meters. Now let's talk about the location of this property. We are in Praia da Luz, which is near to Lagos. It's walking distance to the restaurants, shop, to the beach, and it's about 1 hour away from the international airport, near the golf courses and international schools. Orientation of the property: the entrance is the northeast, the pool is facing the south, and all the terraces are facing south and west, enjoying the beautiful sunsets. As you walk into this property, to your right there is living, dining and kitchen area. To your left there is access to the 4 bedrooms downstairs and access to upstairs. Living, dining and kitchen area, they all have access to the outdoor living. Living area presents this beautifully styled ceiling in traditional style. Dining area has access to the outdoor kitchen and barbecue, and the kitchen has access to the pantry, laundry room and a 2-car garage. To your left there are 4 bedrooms with bathrooms, all en-suites, and bathrooms are styled in a beautiful marble stone. The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet, double sink, and a beautifully styled ocean view office for your work. About outdoor living of this property: the villa enjoys a very good size plot, a generous size pool. Every level of this property has exit to the outdoor and terraces overlooking the ocean view. Beautiful landscaped garden, meticulously maintained, fruit trees, lemon, tangerine and others, and a herb garden for your liking. Also, this property presents a very spacious lower level where there is a 1-bedroom fully equipped apartment. There is a huge jacuzzi space. There is a gym, wine room and a storage room. There is a lots of features of this house presents: underfloor heating, solar panels and a lot more that we welcome you to check in the link below. If you like this property, we welcome you to visit and we'll be happy to present it to you. Please like, subscribe and see you soon.